Good morning, Liz. Good morning, Jeff, everybody else. Jeff, I hope the test today goes well. I have a Chabad thought for today, but I also have a joke. So the Chabad thought for today is that God wants all of us to know that He appreciates each of us, regardless of how important or significant we may think we are. God thinks that each one of us is a star and important in our own right. Having said that, I actually found a really good joke that I think works for everybody today. So an engineer dies, and he goes up to heaven. And God looks at him and he says, I don't need any engineers in this place. You can go down to hell. So the engineer goes down to hell, and he's there for a little while, and he starts to make improvements. He puts in air conditioning. He puts in a better water system, actually puts in toilets. And everything down in hell is going pretty well. And God calls up Satan. He goes, hey, what's going on down there? And Satan says, I got this engineer, and he's doing great things. And God says, you're not allowed to have an engineer. I want him back. And Satan says, that's not going to happen. And God says, sue me. To which Satan cracks up and goes, really? Where do you think you're going to find a lawyer? Here you go, guys. Have a good day.